You should be ashamed of yourself. Every single day, you look yourself in the mirror and feel disgusted and disappointed with your physique. You see consequences of all those bad choices that you made that you would have avoided easily. All those time you reach for that junk food. All those late night where you eat whatever you found and played video games. Of course, you feel bad about yourself and your physique. You know what? You should feel that way. मैं इन चूतिया लोगों की तरह तुमसे बात नहीं करूंगा जो बॉडी पॉजिटिविटी जैसी चूतिया चीज को प्रमोट करते हैं. I will not lie to you. Being fat is not okay. Being skinny is not okay. You should feel negativity, resentment, and even a little bit of self-hatred. अगर तुम्हारी फिजिक बहुत बुरी है, that only shows the choices that you made in your life. We may need to start talking to ourselves with a little more aggression, like real men, and we need to slap some sense into each other. Like, come on man, तुम जानते हो तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा क्या है और तुम्हें पता है कि तुम गलत क्या कर रहे हो. तुमने क्या क्या खराब हरकतें की है that lead you here, और तुम अभी भी उसको चेंज नहीं कर रहे हो. You know you should have gone to the gym, और तुम्हें पता है तुम्हें वो फालतू का खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए था. By choosing those easy choices, you sacrificing your long-term potential for a momentary pleasure. You should feel very embarrassed for yourself. It's time to get into shape. और कह रहा हूँ कि कोई चूतिया गोल सेट कर लो, मुझे बस थोड़ा सा वेट लूज करना है. No. It's time to get into the best shape of your life. Time to make sacrifices. It's time to make those hard decisions. And you know exactly what I'm talking about. और बहुत कम लोग ऐसे भी होंगे जिन पर ये वीडियो अप्लाई नहीं होती क्योंकि उनको पता है they have done everything in their life extremely well. But for you and me, we need to start taking things more seriously. Your physique and how you look is the most important thing in this era. Everyone will agree with me on this. Everyone say it doesn't matter how you look. That's shallow thinking. Don't go to the gym for that. How you look is utmost important in this modern era. But more than that, it's more important because it determines how you feel about yourself. The level of respect, the level of gratitude, the level of pride you get after building your dream physique. If you want to feel like a real man, a real strong man with good character, just make those hard choices that you are avoiding. Yes, those hard choices that you know you should be making. And there is this one more thing which extremely disagree with is eat whatever you want if it's your macro. This thing to eat whatever you want, अगर वो तुम्हारे कैलोरीज में आ रहा है, this is pure fucking bullshit. You know what is the old time advice? You are what you eat. So हमारे बीच में जो सबसे pure, सबसे healthy athletes हैं, they are not eating this bullshit, even if it fit into their macros. Have you ever wondered कि fitness industry को हो क्या गया है? Why it filled with these people? They are looking like Greek god and have a health of dying man. And I know most of you think it's because of steroids, bro. And I say yes, but not always. It's what they eat too. I love Sam Sulek. The way he is eating. I know. अगर तुम्हें बस बॉडी बिल्डिंग करनी है और तुम्हें मतलब नहीं कि तुम 30 के बाद मर भी जाओ, you can do that. But if you just trying to build a aesthetic physique while maintaining it over a long period of time, I don't think that's the right approach to it. भाई वो literally डायबिटीज को पी रहा है. The truth is, in a split second, जब तुम कोई मील को देखते हो, तुम्हारे दिमाग में आ जाता है कि तुम्हें इसको खाना चाहिए या नहीं. I'm talking about your Adonis brain, जिसको पता रहता है कि मैं अगर इसको अभी खाऊंगा अभी मजा आ जाएगा, मगर it's not good for health. And you should listen to it. Truth about getting a great looking physique. Stop coping. Stop bullshitting.
If it fits my macros, I can eat whatever you want.
No, that's not how it goes. Don't listen to these fucking clowns who are just coping and then you start coping.
But Maggie isn't even that bad for me. उसमें फैट और कार्ब ऑलरेडी है, मैं उसमें पनीर डाल लूंगा या एग्स डाल लूंगा, प्रोटीन तो मिल जाएगी.
Shut up, bro. तुम्हें एक सेकंड में पता चल जाता है कि तुम्हें ये मील खानी चाहिए या नहीं. And the easy decision would be eat that shitty junk food right now and regret it later, or avoid those food right now and later enjoy your fruits of the labor. It's so fucking unfortunate. Everyone just want views from you. There are more people who doesn't want good for you than people who genuinely want you to do better. You should not accept me either. अगर मैं एक महीने बाद यहाँ आता हूँ और मेरा फिर से उतना ही वजन हो जाए, you should not listen to me. We as men, as brothers, need to encourage each other to do better in life. We need to teach each other this very important thing, that the sacrifices that you are making must be progressively overloaded. तुम्हें पता है ये progressive overload क्या है? It simply means you must outperform your previous weak self in the gym. Same thing applies to any work in your life. It must be going up and up and up and up for your continuous progress. यही सेम थिंग अप्लाई होती है हर उस गोल के लिए जो तुम्हें अचीव करना है अपने लाइफ. यू जस्ट हैव टू सैक्रिफाइस मोर एंड मोर. तुम कुछ सोचो, जब तुमने जिम स्टार्ट किया होगा तुम्हें बस टाइम निकालना है जिम जाने के लिए. Didn't have to do anything else. उतनी प्रोग्रेस फिर भी बना लेते. But then weeks turned into month turned into years. Then you have to start sacrificing more and more to make progress. And trust me bro, it's worth it. The thing that you sacrifice like junk food, late night, alcohol, वो तुम्हारे लिए पहले से ही अच्छी नहीं. Making those sacrifices and choosing those hard decisions, bro, you have to keep that in mind. You are not stupid. Your brain understands where you are in the social hierarchy. When you choose those easy, weak choices, your brain will start lowering you down. It knows that we are being a little bit. उसको पता है कि हम बहुत आलसी हो रहे हैं. So of course we are gonna be down and down and down. But when you start sacrificing और तुम ऐसे डिसीजन को चूज करते हो जिसमें अभी तुम्हें बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है, then you start to see yourself better and better and better. And soon enough तुम्हें एक glimpse मिलती है अपनी future version की, the best future version of you, जिसने हर वो possible sacrifices made किया progress के लिए और उसने ऐसा कोई भी easy choice नहीं ली. Do not allow these people to fill you with this modern and bullshit narrative that being weak, lazy, fat, skinny is okay. It is not okay, because it's not okay to be fat. As a man, it is embarrassing if you are not strong as you possibly can. You know what to do. You know what is right for you. तुम्हें किसी की जरूरत नहीं है. तुम्हारे ब्रेन को पता है कि कौन से डिसीजन तुम्हारी सही है और कौन सी डिसीजन नहीं. जब तुम कोई भी चीज करने जाते हो तुम्हारे ब्रेन को पता रहता है कि मुझे ये करना चाहिए या नहीं. You ignore that part of the brain and instead listen to your lizard brain. You just have to avoid that. You just have to make better choices in your life. It's time to get into the best shape of your life. I will post this video on Sunday, like it's 3rd of November. In 3 months, matlab 3rd of February 2025, I will be in the best shape of my life. I am doing this with you. We have 90 days and I will post progress in my Instagram. The link is in the description. Let's be the best version of ourselves. Let's do this challenge. Get to work.